Hello student, today we will do question number 28 from exercise, miscellaneous exercise on chapter 7 NCERT Math Books class 12. So without further ado, let's get started. Do question number 28. This is question number 28. 28. We have to find definite integration of this. 1, 0. We will multiply this 1 plus x minus root x into 1 plus x plus root x divided by 1 plus x plus root x dx. So 0, 1, this will be 1 plus x root plus root x divided by this is on formula a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So a root will be removed, 1 plus x minus x. So x will be cut, dx is equal to 1 by 1, 0. This will be 1 plus x plus root x dx. We can write this 1, 0. We will separate this. So this will be 1 plus x 1 by 2. The square root we can write 1 by 2 dx plus x 1 by 2 dx. So integration of this this will be 1 plus x 1 by 2 plus 1 means 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Limit is 1, 0 plus similarly this can be then 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. 1, 0. see, we'll put a limit. It will put 1 here, so 1 plus 1 3/2 divided by 3/2 minus 1 plus 0 3/2 divided by 3/2. This is, here also we'll put 1 3/2 divided by 3/2 minus 0 3/2 divided by 3/2. This is, see, this can be 2, this is 2 3/2, and 2 will go up, 2/3 minus 1 to the power 3/2, that will be 1, so this will be 2/3 plus here 1 2/3, this will be 2/3, and this will be 0 minus 0, so this will be cut, this will be this can be written 2 into 2 into root 2/3, means this will be 4/3 root 2. This is answer. I hope you must have understood the solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.